Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the D3DX9_4030.dll file is missing error on your Windows computer, so specifically Windows 11 for today's tutorial, but this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 users. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one. And you're going to search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Go ahead and search for that. And the best result should be a Microsoft domain here that says download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the orange download button here. So go ahead and select that. And then open up the setup file once it's done downloading. Select yes if you receive the user account control prompt. It's going to say welcome to setup for DirectX. Go ahead and accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar and then I'm going to select next again. And select next to begin the download. And once it's done here, go ahead and select finish. And then you want to go ahead and restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.